Hey, what's going on, guys? Nate here. Got my Wrangler back from the dealership and had some issues because I had a lifter sticking, and they did some engine repair. But as I got into the engine and started to look, my valve cover's leaking. Looks like it's coming from the variable valve timing gasket. So I hadn't seen much on YouTube yet to show anything about being able to repair this. Looks like it's about a $4 part, but I'll put a link in the description below about that part. But we're going to take this thing apart and see if we can't get in here and get this fixed, because nobody likes a leaking Jeep, and I don't want any other issues. So, all right, guys, let's see what we can find out. All right, well, as you guys can see right in here, been working on my Jeep a little bit, but I noticed that the valve cover's leaking. If you look down in here, you can see all kinds of oil, and especially from that the sensor right down there. And so we're going to see if we can't pull this stuff loose and get this thing fixed and repaired. All right, to start with, to remove the cowling here, it's a T35. You got the toolkit in your Jeep. We're going to pull this out the way and set this off to the side. All right, so the area that I'm looking at, it looks like I'm going to have to get some of these brackets off to get these lines out of the way from the front and the back here. So I'm going to pull these loose. I believe that's a 10mm socket to undo that. So I'm trying to get this actual plug off. I couldn't get it off, so I ended up using a pick tool like this one right here, and just basically taking it and sliding it right under here, and it just pops it right loose, which allows you to take it off. So let's get that thing off of there. So now that we got this harness out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and get this 10mm socket and get this thing pulled loose, and then see if we can't get this gasket out of here so we get the new one in. All right. Well, we got this sensor out, and we got the gasket kind of cleaned up there. I did order another one. I did want to take a look at this one and kind of see where it was at, but the other one, I'm waiting for it to come in, so I'll get it put in here. But basically, once you get that sensor out the way, you just can pull that gasket right out and pry it right out, and then pop the new one in there, and then from there, put it all back together.